Romulus is a transportation location. We are planes, trains, and automobiles. We are 20 minutes from Ann Arbor, 20 minutes from Detroit, two major railways, and also Detroit Metropolitan Airport, one of the biggest airports in the country. We're a good mix of rural, country living, as well as heavy industrial and advanced manufacturing. Why not lead the way in drones? Airspace Link has been incredible to partner with in the city of Romulus. Kevin Krause, our Director of Economic Development, brought this to me. I was blown away by how far they were ahead of the competition and how we could use this as a benefit to our community.
Being that mecca of transportation, we have the international airport hosted in the middle of our city and takes up 9 square miles of our city. All of those opportunities for supply chain and development of emerging technology for delivery of that logistics hub is really what makes Romulus unique and gives us the strategic advantage over other locations.
Since the city of Romulus is in such complex airspace, they had 0 flight height for the entire city. And they wanted to open it up, one, for themselves, for public safety, but number 2 is for the residents.
When you look at Romulus and you start to understand it from a mobility perspective, the missing piece was low altitude airspace. If you're an advanced manufacturer, could you think about maybe moving my high value cargo to its next destination via drone? It's been great working with the FAA and the city and the state of Michigan to understand that, yes, we can do it. We can open up the airspace next to the 18th busiest airport in North America and utilize that new mobility.
We took the holistic approach of drone implementation in the city of Romulus. We didn't want to do it just siloed into one specific department or another. We're seeing in a lot of other cities. We have our first cohort together. They're learning about the airspace, they're learning how to authorize flight within the airspace, and they're all going through the training together.
I believe that drones would assist us greatly with saving lives. If we're able to get a drone up in the sky and get eyes on the situation at hand, it could also potentially save an officer's life. It could potentially save another civilian. I am using the AirHub Portal app. It's very user-friendly. I've had no issues receiving confirmation of allowing me to fly to other parts of the city.
Timing for us is everything, and I feel like the drone will give us even faster information, and being able to deploy a drone ahead of us, we'll be able to see what's going on before we even get there, and that's something that's invaluable.
So the partnership with Airspace Link, the implementation of that first service model and opening up the airspace, whether it's Part 107 license or a recreational user, they can go to our website through the City of Romulus and get authorization to fly. And the last part for us moving forward was making sure that we had antennas in place and we were able to track real-time drone flights within the city, authorized or unauthorized. And we were able to take that data and we were going to be able to use that to leverage it for economic growth and future projects within the City of Romulus.
We met with the city of Romulus about 8 months ago. Since then, they've gone from being not drone ready to level 3, where they have drone training, they have multiple drones in multiple departments. They've put in sensors to understand where drones are flying within their community. About 20,000 residents can now fly a drone recreationally. And Part 107 pilots can now fly without having to do further coordination, really making it much easier to fly within that community, all within 8 months.
From a community integration perspective, residents can log into Airspace Link through the Romulus platform and really understand how and why drones are flying in the community. And I think using that authoritative data so the residents can understand this use case will help innovation move faster here in the city of Romulus, create more jobs and drive more capital investment.
The one thing I'd like to have other people in my position think about with Airspace Link is how to be a leader in technology. And it gives me a greater level of comfort to know we're partnering with a company like Airspace Link to help us through this process as we learn this process.